Nvidia is trending up 0.7%. This is Tuesday, the 3rd of February 2026 pre-market session. Okay, so the stock is indeed trending as investors and the broader AI community react to reports suggesting friction in its relationship with OpenAI, raising fresh questions about AI infrastructure dominance and future capital allocation. Shares slipped at some point, roughly 1.5%, but as you can see, it's up 0.7% following reports that OpenAI has been testing alternatives to some Nvidia inferencing chips due to performance considerations, sparking speculation that even Nvidia's grip on the AI stack may be facing its first real stress test. Adding to the uncertainty, reports indicate that Nvidia is reevaluating a potential investment in OpenAI that had previously been framed as part of a massive up to $100 billion AI data center build-out alongside partners such as Microsoft and Oracle. Jensen Huang, CEO of Nvidia, sought to clarify the situation, emphasizing that the figure was never a binding commitment and that any investment will be made gradually rather than a single headline grabbing deal. He described any eventual funding as huge, but stressed it would not approach the widely circulated $100 billion number. The mixed headlines briefly rattled markets, with both Nvidia and Oracle experiencing same day declines as investors questioned whether a cornerstone AI partnership had stalled. However, all parties moved quickly to calm nerves. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman publicly reaffirmed the relationship, stating that OpenAI loves working with Nvidia, calling its chips the best AI chips in the world, and expressing hopes to remain a massive customer for years to come. Oracle and Nvidia echoed similar sentiments, framing the reports as overblown. Beyond the short term volatility, Nvidia continues to signal extraordinary confidence in long term AI demand. Huang stated the scale of AI deployment could require TSMC to more than double its manufacturing capacity for the next decade, underscoring Nvidia's expectation of sustained structural growth in compute numbers. Reinforcing that outlook, Nvidia also announced it has selected Phenol to supply copper cable cartridges for its next generation Blackwell GB200 MVL72 servers, a key component in high performance AI data center networking. You can read more in the description box below. So we have already covered Nvidia stock earlier. So what we have is indicating that this trend it picked up, as a matter of fact, even though I mean it's up, as you can see, up 0.7%, but it didn't reach its 50-day average of 178 million. Okay, so we have the extrapolation is saying that it might hold the strength up till the close of today's trading session. After that, there's a chance we might see a contraction. Projections are saying 188.76. It's currently at, well, okay, an upper projection, 188.76. Previous projections were saying 198, 203, 205. Okay, let's come down to its daily chart. The daily chart is saying, let's see, projections are saying 197, 205, 210.18. Let's have a look at its weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we have 217, 236, 247. Yeah, that's what's going on right now. Let's just have a look and see. I think this is not the first time with the Nvidia has been facing a lot of challenges of late. You know, it's a lot of challenges of late. The extrapolations we have here are not indicating the resumption of it's not indicating any resumption of the uptrend. It's more of a consolidation. So it might be appealing to certain traders. Yeah, it's also heavily traded in heavily traded option. Its options are heavily traded. So we're not looking at the prospect of any resumption of the uptrend. If anything, it's more of a consolidation. Yeah. So we'll see how it all pans out. And thank you very much for watching this video.